So remove all the tape for imaging. So it comes with actually 24 megapixel, and the previous version, the 70D, was 20 megapixel. So, and also it has more focus points, cross points, which is 45, and I think on the Canon 70D it was 20 or something like that, I don't know. But I have got this one because of these autofocus points. It's really amazing. So let's unbox it. So first of all, you'll find these legs, quite big one, and also you got warranty card, which is 1 year warranty, so more international warranty card. So, and here's Canon 80D, and it's filled back with the photo package, and it's really nice card here. So here it is. Actually, this is the thing which is 80D. It's called 80D, and I'll tell you about it a little bit there. Let's see what's inside the box. So here's the strap for it. It's made with it's quite good like that. And here's I think it's a charger. Yep, it's a charger. And here's a cable for it, charger cable. And last one is the battery. And so let's see what Canon 80D is. And as you can see, it's quite good. It feels nice in your hands, and actually you've got a CD here, you can look at it. This also can be, it's quite nice, actually it feels good in your hand. And here's the mic and audio jack. Also it's NFC here, and you got USB and HDMI ports. Also it's really good feature. Also it has built-in Wi-Fi, it's the last one. And here's the card reader, and you put your battery, and it's for tripod settings. It's LED flash buttons in here. There's much more you can actually explore it when you see the reviews of this Canon 80D. Actually, it was the unboxing video, so I will not explain it in this video. Let's put on lens. The version I have bought is doesn't come with lens. If you want to buy it, it comes with, I think, 155 mm lens, which is quite light in weight. So I have purchased 135 Canon lens. It's good. It's heavy and seems nice. So let's put it on Canon. First of all, I have to remove this cover and align this white dot with this white dot. And here, so here is your DSLR. So thank you guys for watching. If you have any questions, please feel free to ask, and don't forget to subscribe my videos.